Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. So I wasn't even planning on filming a video today, but we ended up going to this family party where they had this super long strip straightaway type deal that the owner said we can do burnouts and wheelies and stuff on. So Rob warmed it up on the 690 doing some wheelies, and then I hopped in the drift cat and decided to destroy the brand new set of tires I just got. Check it out. The real evil Knievel.
You ready?
What?
You ready?
What?
Hit some wheelies, dog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So as you saw, super narrow strip, super long, so it was great for everyone that was doing wheelies and stuff. But you know, trying to do donuts and do figure eights in this thing, it was a little sketchy. I want to say the road was as wide as the car is from trunk to front bumper, or like, you know, from rear bumper to front bumper. Trying to whip it around in each direction and not dirt drop and, you know, hit bushes and stuff like that. It was a little difficult, not gonna lie. Knocked it out, got it done pretty easily. Only dirt dropped one time, and I obviously felt it as soon as it started to go. I felt it dip, so I let off the gas and then went back on the pavement and then got right back on it. So didn't destroy it, got a little dirty. So this is the side that did not dirt drop, and this is the side that did dirt drop. Not too bad, like I said, just need a little wash. But she got a little dusty, can't lie. A little dusty. Tires looking done. Fender wells looking caked. I'm talking super caked. Look at the inside of the fender well. This shit's just caked with tire. And these tires were brand new. I think I went to Richmond Tire 2 days ago and bought them. I didn't do a single burnout on them or anything until today, and now I need another set of tires. But anyway, had hella fun doing that nice little strip. I don't think there was a single burnout done on that asphalt yet. And I left a nice little signature. There was a bunch of marks when we left there. It's always fun blessing a new street, or, you know, a new property or whatever that's never had a burnout done on it, and you get to leave your mark and go crazy. Obviously went a little crazy. Went through a full set of tires, doing straight third and fourth gear all the way down the strip. The first video coming down, when I was like doing the brake stand, going back and forth, like I was gonna try to manji it, but it's so narrow I wouldn't be able to manji it correctly, you know. But yeah, that was third gear. That was a nice little third gear brake stand all the way down, and then went into a couple figure eights. This thing gets down. For a big ass car, it's really fun to whip it around like that. It's kind of difficult, especially for how heavy this thing is, but she gets it, you know. You just gotta know how to do it. But like I said, didn't even expect to be filming today, so when I hopped in the car, I didn't even strap the GoPro on. I wasn't even really thinking about filming like that, but luckily there was a lot of people there, so we got a bunch of different angles. So I hope you guys like this quick little video of the drift cat going crazy. Now that I've got to slide this car a lot more frequently with the 309 gear ratio, it's a completely different animal. Like, you can slide in fourth and fifth gear no problem. Luckily, September 11th, SR Garage is finally opening up his shop in Benicia. I'll be able to take the drift cat over there and get this thing all buttered up, make it look brand new. But anyway, thank you guys very much for watching this video. If you'd like to support the channel, go down below to HelloClothing.com, grab you some of these Hello Hellcat hoodies, and we have some exclusive merch with Tenacity drip as well. Hella stuttered right there, that was crazy. But Tenacity drip, link is down below in the description, and there's a huge collection over there with the collab that we did, so make sure you go check that out as well. We got a deal going on right now as well. Buy a hoodie, get a shirt for free, so make sure you go check that out. Anyway, like I said, thank you guys, I appreciate you. See you in the next video. Deuces.
In Las Vegas, victory lane for Fox Television. Ricky Bobby, today's big winner. Heck of a win for you today, but it seems as if you either win or crash the car trying to win.
Well, Dick, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff. You know, I'm just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first, you're last.
Kind of good there,
you know,
my guy.
That's what I'm talking about. That phrase, trademark, not for Ricky Bobby.
They didn't see nothing.